Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually going to be talking about how you guys can make money. I know in the title it says teenager, but honestly the tips I'm going to be giving you in today's video are actually applicable to anybody of any age with any skill set. So with that said, let's get into the video. So the first way to make money online, and something that has grown exponentially I've seen over the past couple years, is drop shipping. And if you don't know what drop shipping is, it is basically taking products from China and selling them here. But where you make money is you're buying products cheap from AliExpress, and then you're going to resell them on the internet for a higher price. And that difference between the price that you sell and the price that you bought is the margin. And honestly, that's it. That's as simple as the concept gets. The only part where it gets difficult is actually marketing your brand. And by brand, I mean just your niche. So you obviously have to pick a niche. Different niches I've seen are like jewelry, clothes. People have done like water themed, people have done like beauty. You're basically going to use Shopify. You're going to create a website on there and import products from AliExpress, which is totally free, products that relate to the niche that you're picking. Then you're going to go out to Instagram pages that are within like 100K to 1 million, and then pay for them to post your ad. And there's techniques involved with that. That's something I can definitely talk about with you guys. I have dabbled in the drop shipping, but the second aspect of drop shipping, if you don't really want to ship products from China, because that does cause customer complaints with actually shipping times, is print on demand. So it's basically just printing like designs on t-shirts and like pillows, things that already sell that you design. So you're basically going to create a design, and then you're going to outsource this design to somebody like in California, like a manufacturer, or like anywhere in the US, and they're going to ship the item out. So once you get an order through your website, you're never going to see the money. The money's going to be taken out of your account for buying that product, and then you're going to gain the profit. And then they're going to actually ship out the item for you. You're never going to see it. They're going to print on the shirt. You really have to do nothing but market the brand. So that's a pretty easy way. It's something that anybody can do online. All you have to do is create a Shopify website, and the really only expense is comes with like advertising, either through Facebook ads or those Instagram advertisements that I talked about, and actually the like $29 a month Shopify, where in reality it pretty much cancels out, because you just need to get 2 or 3 orders a month to actually pay for those expenses. So very minimal upfront costs. Really only need like $40-50. Go shovel some snow, or go mow some lawns, you name it. So the second point is actually starting a YouTube channel, which is something that I have recently started in the past couple months, or I should say have really gotten dedicated to. And pretty much the one thing you have to do is find a passion of yours and talk about it on the channel, whether it be just vlogging your daily life, which is growing exponentially on YouTube. For me, I do phone flipping, making money online, growing your Instagram, whatever it may be. I kind of have that niche of just kind of growing, of just making money online at any age. So that's kind of the niche I picked. But you just got to release this content, and obviously this content is free for anybody to watch. So the idea is you want to release free content and then ask for the money. As Gary Vee always says, release free content, then ask for your business. You want to build up credibility for yourself, which is where I'm at right now. I'm just trying to show you guys that I do know what I'm talking about. I mean, whether it's phone flipping, growing Instagram, making money through apps or online through your computer, you name it. You just got to build up credibility, and then you just got to just release videos. And obviously you can monetize YouTube. I think the threshold now is you just have to get 1,000 subscribers. So first thing I recommend is releasing a viral kind of content video, something like top 3 apps to make money, day in the life, unboxing video, things like that. You just have to kind of get to that 1,000 subscribers as quick as possible. Then you can start monetizing your channel. There's a lot of money on YouTube out there. It's pretty much unlimited. All you have to do is release the content. Yes, it is a grind. It's tough. You have to buy a camera, you have to film every day, you have to edit, you have to upload. That takes a couple hours a day. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still struggling now to actually get it in, because I have other things I dabble in for different side incomes. But it's definitely something you guys should start. And obviously you guys probably know this can be started at any age. All you have to do is have a passion for something or multiple things. You can have different YouTube channels. The third one is something I don't think a lot of people talk about, but it's very unique, and that's using Instagram to actually make money. And the way you can do that is build influencer pages. As I was mentioning in like the dropshipping aspect, the first point I made in the video, you can go out, people will go out to influencer pages and pay them up to like a couple $1,000s just to post an ad on their page. And that ad, and the owner of the page is actually getting that money all profit. It isn't really like you have to take out fees or anything like that. Obviously there's taxes on the back end, but it's just basically just transferring through PayPal, and you can make a ton of money. If you have 4 or 5 ads at $50 a day, that's 200 extra bucks, and that's honestly the minimum that I've seen. I pay for drop shipping upwards of like $100, and I know like big influencer pages that are up in the millions charge like a couple like $10,000 to $100,000 for a single ad, and that's pretty crazy. The value of influencers are very undervalued right now. So if you get into it now, influencer marketing on creating influencer pages on Instagram, you definitely will grow with the trend. And once you get established that following of like upwards of like 50,000 followers or something like that, which is just consistency and posting every single day and using hashtags and stuff like that, you're gonna be able to monetize that. People in your niche, depending on what kind of Instagram page you're going to create, will start reaching out to you for ads, and obviously you can choose which ones you want to pick, and it's just easy money like that. And yes, all these tips I'm giving you guys today involve some sort of like hustle, grind. You have to work for it. These aren't necessarily easy ways to make money, but they're not necessarily the hardest things out there. I mean, you're just using your computer and your cell phone, just doing the same thing every day, releasing different kinds of content. And these pages include like things like workouts. If you're passionate about fitness, release different workouts every day. You could be you could like show other pages, but obviously you're giving credit to them in the fitness industry. There'd be beauty and hair tips. For me, like I do phone flipping. I started creating a phone flipping Instagram. You just got to build an audience and have people that are passionate about it. You could do clothes, like the whole like brands, like with Supreme, Off-White, stuff like that. Buy something at their store, go to their shop, and resell higher. Go to their pop-up shop, stuff like that. There's a lot of kids out there that are starting to resell like Yeezys and stuff like that. Easy way to make money. Obviously you have to get connections and stuff like that, but it's definitely a cool industry to get in, especially because you can own merch like that and have a lot on you. Second would just be like phones, like I do. I personally flip phones for like a side income. It's a pretty easy way to make 100 money in just like 30 minutes of work. And if you guys watch my YouTube channel, I'm not trying to plug or anything, but I have like a whole series of videos, probably about 15 to 20 videos I've released now solely about phone flipping, so it's pretty in depth. It's all free, obviously. It's on my YouTube channel. And then stuff like shoes and stuff like that, you name it. And then another way you could do it is simply just go to Craigslist. Go to the free section on Craigslist. Look in your town. People are always giving away stuff for free. Go pick it up in their front yard. Go sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Even if you make 15, 20 bucks, you bought something for free. That requires no capital. And honestly, if you're a young kid like 13, 14, you don't really have like a credit card or anything like that, or like too much money, go on the Craigslist free section, go buy something. And then you got to grow that exponentially. You buy something, you get 20 bucks. Go buy something for 20 bucks on Craigslist, flip it for 100. Buy something for 100, flip it for 500. You never know what you're going to get into. Like literally hound Craigslist, hound Facebook Marketplace. Find things you know are listed for cheaper than what they actually sell for. Go buy it and flip it. So with that said, those 4 tips, I hope those help you guys. As you guys can tell, these really aren't restricted to any age. I mean, I'm 22. You can do this at 15. You can do this at 8 if you're really grinding, if you're an entrepreneur, or if you're 60. It doesn't really matter. These tips, like the internet is kind of the age that we live in now. So if you're older, maybe that wasn't when you were a kid, but now you're living in the age, so take advantage. These are very easy ways. Like, yeah, they require some capital sometimes and a little bit of work, but that just watch some YouTube videos. That's what people releasing that out there for free. Is free content you learn for free. Where else are you going to get that in this day and age? Especially like 10, 20 years ago, none of this was out there. Like, there's so many free ways to learn different skill sets these days. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to join the channel. And if you are interested in that phone flipping kind of way of making money, again, I've made $1,000 in a single day just flipping 3 phones. So this definitely is possible. I have a Facebook link down below, which is basically just a free Facebook group where I talk about, give tips on phone flipping that aren't really on the channel. So with that said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.